Our many opinions and perceptions are like the colors on a Rubik's cube that we're trying to match up. And in most cases, we get one side almost completely filled except for one little square. And it gives us, it looks pretty good. It looks like it's almost a complete picture, but we're missing that one square. And that's how it's always going to be with what we are given in new perceptions. We're never going to fill up that single side with the full solid color. And if we do, we're going to have another side that's not complete. That's just the way expanding consciousness works. You're never going to get a complete and completely finished Rubik's Cube with all the colors and sides matching up. And that's kind of why I look at this whole thing as the game of the Rubik's Cube. It's a mental challenge. It's the exercising of our mind of different angles, different ideas, different perceptions, which affords us the opportunity and experience to experience life from different angles, to perceive it from different points of view. And so even though I feel like maybe I have completed one color and one face, and it looks pretty good to me, and it feels pretty good to me, it feels pretty solid to me, I know that's not the complete picture. And so I just keep on shifting my perceptions and try to match up all the sides to get a picture that makes the most sense. And that's really all it is. And you are welcome to agree or disagree with my viewpoints. It doesn't really matter, because I don't place my hope and security in my perceptions anymore. I realize they're all just different angles of perceiving consciousness, and they're all valid. Just some of them come together to a more cohesive picture than others, and that's really all it is. It's just an ever-changing landscape as the light and the consciousness expands. And it's an interesting adventure of the mind and the soul. So just keep on shifting the colors and the cubes and the squares.